Welcome to Moneyview, your trusted partner in achieving financial freedom. At Moneyview, we understand that time is of the essence. Our quick loan approval process ensures you get the funds you need without the long wait. Say goodbye to paperwork. With Moneyview, minimal documentation is required, making the loan application process seamless and hassle-free. Flexibility is key. We offer flexible repayment options tailored to your financial needs, ensuring you can repay at your convenience. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to what our satisfied customers have to say about their experience with Moneyview.
I received my loan within 24 hours. Moneyview made it so easy.
Moneyview's flexible repayment options really helped me manage my finances better.
Applying for a loan with Moneyview is simple. Here's a step-by-step guide.
Step 1. Download the Moneyview app from the Google Play Store.
Step 2. Register with your mobile number and complete your profile.
Step 3. Choose your loan amount and repayment tenure.
Step 4. Upload the necessary documents and submit your application.
Step 5. Receive approval and get your loan disbursed directly to your bank account.
Here are some tips on managing your finances effectively.
1. Create a monthly budget and stick to it.
2. Save a portion of your income regularly.
3. Use credit wisely and avoid unnecessary debt.
4. Plan for emergencies by setting up an emergency fund.
Join thousands of satisfied customers and take control of your financial future with Moneyview. Download the app today and experience the ease of borrowing.